Hello and welcome to the Chemeketa Auditorium located on the Chemeketa Community College campus here in Salem, Oregon. This 433-seat theater is home to many different community organizations and different types of events and has everything you need to host your own event here. But I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Why don't we head around back and check it out? We're at the stage tour at the Chemeketa Auditorium. Let me go on in and have a look. There's one of our theater techs, Nev. Working on a show?
Oh, hey Bryce. Sure am. We got a busy week this week and I'm just getting everything set up for the big show.
Well, I'll leave you to it. While Nev is working, why don't we take a peek at the auditorium? Wow, 433 seats, sections for our ADA friends, plenty of lighting, lots of wing space. Really set up for everything. And over here we have this podium for presentations. You can control it from down here, or you can control it from up there at the booth, and it can disappear in the snap of an instant. Well, I don't want to take up any more of your time, Nev. I'll get out of your hair. Have an awesome day.
No problem. Have a great day.
Why don't I take you backstage? We take a peek in the lounge. Oh, sorry. Pardon the interruption. Why don't I take you to see our powder room, just in case your nose needs a little dusting. Oh, sorry. Now, why don't I take you into the lobby? As you can see here, we've got plenty of space for all types of events, different catering things, concessions over there, box office over here. All these things help us generate revenue for the auditorium so we can offer great prices to the community. Over here is our ticket office. It's a full service system. If you need general admission, reserved seating, printed tickets, or online reservations, it's got everything you need. Hello.
Hi there.
I'll take 2 tickets to your next show, please.
There's 2.
Can you save these for me to pick up later? Put them under Bryce.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's head upstairs and check out the booth. I think our team is working on a project. Let's see if we can pop in. Hey, Steven, what's going on?
Bryce, good to see you, man.
Awesome, good to see you as well. I was hoping we could hop in here and take a peek at what's going on in the booth.
Yeah, we've got lots of stuff going on here and working on an event.
Yeah, what you working on?
So we've got a streaming event in a few days, and so we're just getting prepped up for that.
So awesome, you can stream anywhere?
We can. We actually have up to 4 camera shoot here at Chemeketa,
Wow.
so we can send it to wherever your service provider allows. But you really should check out the studio because it's a really cool space.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That sounds incredible. What's in your hand?
Wireless microphone. We got a great audio system here at the auditorium, and we host bands and all kinds of speaking events. So we're ready for anything here at this space.
That's awesome. It sounds
Yeah.
like you've got your hands full, so I'll let you get back to
All
work.
right,
but
no
I'm
problem.
gonna take your advice, head on over to the studio, see what's going on over there.
Okay, man. We'll see you later.
Appreciate it. Here we are at the studio, Building 9 in Chemeketa's campus. It's a full project facility and it's got all the bells and whistles for any kind of your project needs. Why don't we go have a look? Hey, wow, a real studio. Hey, Jordan.
Hey Bryce, good to see you again.
Good to see you too. Why don't you tell me a little bit about what goes on in here?
Well, we're actually in the middle of creating a demonstration video for a production team as well as getting the presentation ready. We have classes to teach and train people on how to use the equipment and basically build a show from the ground up.
Sounds incredible. What else does it do?
Well, we have the ability to control lights, the cameras, make all the action happen, and even stream it if we want to.
Oh, that sounds awesome. I had no idea that you could stream in here, so that sounds fun, but I won't take up too much more of your time. Sounds like you're a busy guy, so I'm gonna head next door and talk to David. But it's good to see you. Yeah, take care. Hey, David, what's going on? Looks like some pretty high-tech stuff in here.
Oh yeah, you bet. We always got something going on here in the studio. We are always working on projects for the college as well as for external clients. And then we also capture events to live stream as well as make our own product.
That sounds awesome. I heard a little something about that next door, so I'm gonna go check it out, but I'll catch you in a little bit.
All right, sounds good.
Well, the people are here and the show's about to start. As you can tell here at Chemeketa, we've really got everything you need to host any kind of event. Hopefully you learned something today from our studio tour and the tour of the auditorium. We hope to see you at a show soon.